finally, part 2. We've only put it off for a month. Let's fucking go.
Yeah, well, I was gonna get to it, I'm sorry. That's okay.
We've put it off for a month now. And we're finally getting the backs put on.
We got it.
Hold on, don't do nothing.
I'm not doing nothing.
See how hard that came off? Not supposed to come off that hard. Ooh, it came. That sucks.
What?
Touch monkey balls. Dang it, someone stripped this one out. See how the threads are right there?
Yeah. That's not good.
They're fucking tightened too much.
It's hot.
When you do these, pull pressure against this way so the bolt doesn't walk out.
Shot.
Field modification. Hold on. A little more. Do that again. Nope.
In the hole.
Don't get too Bertha.
Not Big Bertha.
Big Bertha.
Big Bertha. You show me that video or someone else? No, it was Randy. The guy is sitting on the floor, fully loaded spring, with the fucking shock on it, unbolting it. What's wrong with you guys? That's the way I tell it to, but whatever. It's symmetrical now. Whack that fucker. Hit it.
Hit it? What do you mean? Just okay.
Like that. That's 5 Ugga-Duggers.
5 Ugga-Duggers.
Yeah, if you can't find out what the torch vector's in, you go, mechanics will go 1 Ugga-Dugger, 2 Ugga-Dugger, 3 Ugga-Dugger. Or lots of Ugga-Duggers. Alright, go ahead. Hit it.
Ugga-Duggers.
Both on this side are really hard to break. The only way you break that is if you sat there and pounded on it for a really long time. It's not going to break. Something this thin, you can snap off.
I am mechanic. I do good work on car, yes. I seen a shirt actually the other day that said,
That's where that came from.
I'm a mechanic, and it's spelled like 4 different ways, and then it just says, I work on cars.
Yes.
I do most good work on car, yes.
The reason I had this in the middle with the whole more of the weight. Now if we come over here, this thing's gonna fucking hit it a lot.
Makes sense.
Make sure you don't have any brake lines stuck in here. Stuff like that. You hear some creaking and popping.
Well, the car is 30 years old, so
Don't get scared. Unless you see the front end moving, you see the front end moving, run for your life.
like a condom.
This is gonna go down so that it matches the hole that's in your trunk.
I got you.
If you ever have to line them up, that's the way to do it.
He's not winning them all in the bank.
Once you go, just keep going. Here, change the base. This comes back. You should lock it. Yes and no.
No, it's not a locker.
Alright. Oh, that's hard. Now you gotta get your other one.
This car's slowly coming together. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was this car. Sadly enough. But I don't know what the next video on this car is really gonna be, because I don't have a job right now. Gatlinburg was supposed to be the next video, but don't have a job. I'm not going. Huh? You can talk, dude. I don't.
Bro,
Bro, I don't have a job. I got fired from my job, so Gatlinburg's not happening. Joe's still going. I don't know. We might head down to Mexico tonight. That might be a separate video. I don't know if Tony's gonna go, but I'm gonna go. If I get him, or if the person I'm supposed to go with goes, we're gonna go down to Mexico and do some races. I'm excited to finally have these coilovers in. We've put it off for a month because well, this isn't his shop, so you know, it sucks having to rely on people, but it's all we got to do for now. I know content's slow. I wish I could upload more, and I wish I had more content to upload, but it also kind of has to correlate with Tony's schedule because he's so generous to be my cameraman, and one day I'm gonna hire you just full time.
Watch this and wait till they stop. 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 Stop.
I thought this shit was gonna fly out. We're a stancy boy now. We got some stance. These just need to come out like maybe a 5mm spacer. Gotta get these fenders rolled so it's like flush fenders. And this thing, the back would be set, I think. The front needs to still be lowered. We need to align the car. That's probably just gonna get done on a separate time. Okay, so the EcoBoost is about to go up on the lift right now. When I floor it, there's like this flutter sound. What do you think it is, exhaust? He thinks it's an exhaust leak, and we're gonna find out.
I gotta make a fucking
Want to explain that again?
So to stop your fucking exhaust system from being stiff, put flex pipes in here. Just the exhaust, a little bit of flex, and it won't vibrate as bad when you're driving down the road. This one is no Gouda.
No Buddha? Yeah, it's leaking right here. You can feel it. I don't really know what to do. I don't plan on getting an exhaust or anything for this car. Not yet, anyway. Building the FOXBODY. I do want to modify this car. I have a huge vision for it, but I want to finish the FOXBODY first. I don't know if I'll ever mod this car, because I might eventually trade it for another car. But we'll see where the channel takes us.
See how this is squared off?
Yeah.
Crush this. So people like you don't go trying to fix your car. But we're smarter than they are. Cutting right here, welded in.
We finally got the rear coilovers in. Only took about a month, but that's okay. We are stuck relying on the use of someone's shop right now, so that's all right. It's a little slow, it's gonna be a process. I'm gonna figure out a way to get more content out for you guys, just so I can be more consistent and everything, because I would love to be. I like uploading YouTube videos. It's fun, entertaining. I enjoy my own videos most of the time. Like, I go back and watch them, so I just want to produce good content, and I want it to be like consistent. I want to get more consistent, especially over the winter. I have no idea how we're gonna be more consistent, just because it's winter. There's no car scene happening, and I'm not driving this in the winter, so I'm gonna try getting out as many videos as I can before the car season officially ends, before our first snowfall, hopefully. I might have another video out next week, depending on how tonight goes.